What can you make with melons? How about melon salad? Today I'm going to combine fresh mint, lemon juice and lime juice, and just a touch of sea salt and sweetener to make a refreshing and beautiful melon salad. Hey guys, it's Christine and welcome back to my channel. I'm making today's video in collaboration with Basil Bandwagon Natural Market. You might wonder how to make melons taste better. If you find simple melon, well, a little boring, you will love this recipe that I'm about to show you. Just a few simple flavor additions and the taste of melons becomes irresistible. And the combination of colors is pretty as well. How do you cut melon for a fruit salad? I'm going to show you an easy way to do that. But first I want to make sure that you're choosing the ripest melons from the store. All melons should feel heavy for their size. If you compare one melon to a similar sized melon, choose the heavier one. Specific to cantaloupe, you want to look for a creamy yellowish color instead of green. You can also push on the end that's opposite of the stem and it should have a slight give to it. Ripe watermelon should have a deep hollow sound when you tap on it. If the sound is more high-pitched, it's probably underripe. And if it's a deep thud, it could be overripe. Hello? Anybody in there? Anybody home? There should also be a yellow spot where the watermelon sat on the ground while it was growing. This is also known as a field spot. If it's white, it's probably not ripe. A ripe watermelon will also have a slightly sweet smell when you smell the rind. Nice. Just like watermelon, the best way to tell if a honeydew melon is ripe is the aroma. It should also have a sweet, almost floral smell. Subtle, but it's there. Honeydew melon should also feel firm, but give a little when you press on it, particularly the stem end. For my melon salad recipe, I'm using a combination of cantaloupe, honeydew, and a small watermelon. Honeydew and cantaloupe have a similar taste and texture. You can use them interchangeably in recipes. Honeydew is going to be slightly sweeter than cantaloupe. It has a firm green flesh, while cantaloupe has a slightly softer orange flesh. Melons have lots of health benefits, including being a good source of fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, copper, potassium, and vitamin B6. You'll want to use a good sharp knife to cut your melons. Perfect. Use a large spoon to scoop the seeds and the rind out of the center of the melon. To make my salad, I'm going to use a melon ball scoop to create little balls from each of the 3 melons. Place them in a large bowl. Next, make the citrus dressing. In a small bowl, combine the juice of 1 lemon, 1 lime, a pinch of sea salt, 1/4 cup of raw honey or maple syrup, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh mint. Whisk this together. Pour the dressing over the melon balls and gently toss until evenly coated. You can serve this right away or chill it before serving. If you refrigerate it, stir the salad again just before serving. Okay, forget the cake. Just take a batch of this melon salad to your next gathering and you will watch it disappear. I gotta try this. This is not just your regular melon. When people taste this, it just, I don't know, the citrus juice, the salt, a little bit of sweetener, such subtle little additions, but it just transforms this. This is amazing. Every time I have this, I'm like, this is melon? So I'm not a huge melon fan of melon on its own. Like this, I love it. Let's try the cantaloupe. And can we all agree that cantaloupe is the mildest of the melons? It's a little bit neutral, shall we say. It doesn't have that much flavor on its own. Like this, just pops right out. All right, let's try the honeydew because I love honeydew. Wow. Love that mint in there. Oh my gosh. And the juice, you gotta drink the juice that hangs around in the bowl afterwards. I'm not gonna slurp it in front of you, but it's just so delicious, so refreshing. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this melon salad. Let me know in the comments which melon is your favorite. Thanks for watching and see you the next time.